happens, instead of now you've got Sykes in there, so you've got an extra defender inside along with Mays in case of penetration.
Will there be time for a putback? A lot of times the offensive rebound can be the real key. Lawson over to Ellington for three.